Welcome to the Unearth Financial Weekly Market Observer Report. Just to take you quickly through, we will start as usual with the global indices charts on the weekly basis. Looking here at the Australian ASX 200 weekly chart, you can see here that the market has found resistance there at the 4962 Fibonacci, the 50% retracement, which is from the November 2007 high to the March 2009 low. That's 50% price in between, which means that it's a significant resistance level where the market has a very high probability of reversing, and that we've found just that. I've been mentioning that since October, or way before October last year, when we saw the market rising up here. I was warning that we may see the markets fall from this 4962 level, which it has now. So last mentioning that, excuse me, I've also been mentioning that we may find support here at the 77 level, and the market came very close to that and then closed up high at the 4516 level. So it actually closed smack bang on the 61.8% Fibonacci level, which is the retracement of the November 07 high to the March 09 low. And so it's we will very likely see the market have a rally upward from these levels, as the buyers perceive the market to be cheap in comparison to previous price levels. So it's quite interesting to watch the markets do that. We did have a short trade that went on a few weeks ago, just the top here. Unfortunately, we just got stopped out before the market plummeted. The same was with the FTSE, which is the English index. It's quite similar, where it's finding support here at its 61.8% Fibonacci retracement, but that's from the high here to this medium-term low here. So it's not as significant, but still it can turn the market, at least temporarily. I won't go through the other indices. They're all, again, weakening, finding resistance at previous highs and things like that. Same with the S&P 500. It's also finding support at its 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level too. So it's so amazing to see the markets just bouncing off these resistance and support levels. Moving along to the Forex market, we've had some fantastic action in the currency markets. In the euro, we have a lovely short trade here that is moving continuously into our favor. We've picked up 564 points on that trade. It's a nice short trade. The British pound is similar, and even in better figures, it's 661 points in profit, and it's a nice short trade. The market's weakening, and it's hopefully moving further out of this sideways moving trend that it's been doing there. The Canadian dollar, that actually got stopped out. We had a nice long trade in that market when we get to the chart here. The stop loss was just setting here under this bar. It nicely went into our favor, came down, just stopped us out by a few pips. Same with our Australian index and FTSE index trades a few weeks ago. And very frustrating to see, and then the market goes nicely into your favor. But that's the nature of trading. It's very hard to find the right positioning for your stop loss, where if the market does turn against you, you don't want to be losing too much of your capital. But again, it needs to be not too tight that you're actually then getting stopped out unnecessarily. But it has to be expected. The Aussie dollar. This chart, nice and weak. We had the head and shoulders pattern here, which is broken down below. We've got a short position with 388 points in profit. The yen as well is nicely into profit. And all of these, we've got the profit targets have been hit. We've got a new profit target strategy that we've put in place as well. And our trailing stops are coming down nicely on these positions. So we're totally even in a better than break even situation. The yen here is at 249 pips in profit. It's been sort of slowly moving its way down. And the Swissy is also in a very nice position here. Long trade at 456 points in profit, and certainly nicely, strongly moving into our favour there further. The price action in both oil, which is this chart here at the moment, and gold is very similar. I haven't really liked it. It's been very volatile. It's quite a hard market to trade at this moment. It's not really trending, mainly going sideways, big volatile moves. I'm happy to stay out of that at the moment. Same with gold. I'll just quickly touch on gold. That is also big volatile moves, easy to get your stop hit. We'll just sit back and wait for that market to settle down a little bit. But as always, I hope you had a great week that's just gone, and have a great one coming up. And please do visit our website and send us any questions that you may have on the markets in the meantime. Until next week, have a wonderful week. Take care for now. Bye.